Hi, welcome to Ignited Minds. The sole mission of this is to encourage constant learning by sharing knowledge and experiences in the form of videos and lectures. Please subscribe to this channel. In this video, we're going to look at another problem related to triangles and angles. So here, according to the problem, two angles of a given triangle are equal, and the third angle is greater than each of those angles by 30 degrees, and determine all the angles of a triangle. But when we look at some of this problem, it might look a little confusing. But what is important to understand is how you basically represent this problem statement mathematically. If you can do it well, and that really makes things very easy to solve. So let us pictorially represent this. And now that we got some conditions that are given in the problem, let us try to use those conditions to understand this problem. Let's say, let us treat one of the angles of a triangle. Let us take angle A. Let us assume that the value of A is x. Now, in the conditions of the problem, it is mentioned that two angles of the triangle are equal. So let us assume that the angle B is equal to A. So which means that angle B is also equal to x, because we said, like, you're assuming the value of A is x. So now A and B, both angles are equal to x. Now coming to the third angle, which is in this case angle C, what it is given is it is greater than each of those angles by 30. So what it means is angle C is equal to angle A plus 30. So this is how we have to represent this. And now that we are able to represent that, now since we know that the value of A is x, we can write that angle C is equal to x plus 30. Now that we are able to express all the angles in terms of x, now we can easily solve this problem. So now let us recall our important property of the triangle, which is the angle sum property, according to which the sum of all the angles of a triangle all amount to 180 degrees. So going by this property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Now that we already expressed these angles in terms of x, let us substitute those values in this equation. So we have x plus x plus 30 equal to 180. So let us simplify it further by sending 30 to other side of the equal to symbol, where it changes sign. Now we have 3x equal to 150. Now x becomes 150 by 3, which means that x is actually equal to 50. Now that we are able to solve for x, now let us go back to our equations and see what are the values of angle A, B, and C. Now angle A and B are equal to x, so which means that angle A is 50 degrees, angle B is 50 degrees, and angle C is 50 plus 30 degrees, which is nothing but 80 degrees. So the answer to this question is 50, 50, and 80. So that is the answer for this question. Hope you have enjoyed this. See you in the next video.